Hello, in this video, we'll talk about how to find documents on the website. After you've logged in, you'll see the home page with the banner on the top that give you the choices of where to go on the website. Look for documents and photos. This is what it would look like on an iPhone or smartphone. Click on Documents and Photos, and you'll be taken to the document repository. Now scroll down so you can see the folders that are available to you. Let's click on Documents for Residents and see what's there. To best view the folders, don't click on the arrow. Click on the words Documents for Residents. Make sure you scroll down again to reveal all the folders that are in Documents for Residents. Each folder contains documents specific to that topic. As an example, let's click on Vendors, Artisans, Trash and Recycling. In here we see 3 PDF files. Click the eyeball to view it on your computer or the down arrow to download it into your computer. Click on the eyeball for the garbage pickup schedule and there you'll see it. You can download it into your computer or close it to view other files. Let's see what's in this folder. When you're finished, scroll back up to the top of the page, click on your name, and log off. Thank you for watching, and visit our website soon.